Hi, good evening, my viewers, my first time home buyers, as well as my investors. I am on Neil Land, that is one of the neighborhoods on Brimley and Denison. 37 Neil Land is where I am located right now, and I'll be showing you the neighborhood as well as how it looks. I've given in my brief as to what the price is, and if you see behind me, this is the house which is on sale, if you can see it from here. Otherwise, I'm going to turn the camera and show you everything clearly, but keep watching. And also, if you have any questions, you can call me after the live video. Thank you. So this is Neeland. That's the name of the street. On one side, you have these nice detached homes, uh, roughly between 2,000 to 2,500 square feet. And as you can see, on one side you have these, but it's a mix. Some places you only have one car garage, and at other places you have two car garages. So as I walk around, I'm just showing you, it's a neatly laid out with a wide street road. It's a mix of both smaller and bigger homes, but the one I'm showing you, adjacent to it, all these are two car garage and almost 2,400 square feet. So this is the house which has a white color garage. That is the one my clients, they have liked it, and the home inspection is going on, and you can see the home inspector's truck right in front of you. Basically, this house has a separate entrance and also has got a apartment at the basement, which is like good for renting in future. If anything changes, there's always a possibility of renting it out and making a little bit more money. It's a pretty densely populated neighborhood, and predominantly it's a mixed neighborhood. And if you're looking for any kind of houses like this, or you would like me to either buy or sell a house for you, or if you're a first time home buyer and you're thinking of moving in Markham, and Markham, one thing is very well known for its good schools. Also, the crime rate is very low, and it's predominantly newer area in GTA. So after Toronto, if something has really become big, nice and open, with new construction, these are the areas. Also, it's a mixed community here, predominantly Chinese, Indian, and of course the Canadians. Uh, in terms of crime, this is why people move in here. There is really no crime. With this, I just want to tell you that if you are looking or thinking of buying a house in Markham, I'm your agent. My name is Gary Singh. I am with Remax XL Reality. It's on Steeles and Borden. You can call me at 416-333-6935, or you can also visit my website 247torontohomes.com. Once again, it's 247torontohomes.com. I'll repeat the details. So the cell number is 416-333-6935, and my website is 247torontohomes.com. Feel free to call me if you have any questions as to how to start this process, what all it involves, and if you are also looking to be pre-qualified for mortgage, I can suggest you some good mortgage agents. One thing I just want to request all my viewers who are planning to buy in future, that home inspection is a must. Even if your agent says do not need a home inspection, please do not make that mistake. I'm one of those brokers here who insist that home inspection is a must, especially when you're spending over $1 million or maybe much higher than that amount. You need to spend that $400 or $600 for your home inspection, because invariably I have seen there are issues. You do not reach to the attic. There are molds, there are moisture, there is bird infestation, sometimes squirrel, sometimes even I have seen birds infestation, which becomes a point of concern later once you buy it. Also, sometimes the walls, especially the foundation wall, may not have access, and you may not be able to see some cracks which might cost you thousands of dollars in repairs later. So I suggest that you must insist on home inspection. It is money worth spent. And in case you are planning to buy or you have any other questions regarding the houses, the markets, where we are going, or is it safe to invest here, or how risky it is, and those kind of questions which people keep asking me: how much money do I need to buy a house in Toronto, or what is the condo prices, are they going down or up, or the markets are going up or down. For all these kind of concerns, these look small, but we take all your questions seriously and try to answer those questions. So feel free. This is Gary Singh, broker with Remax XL Realty, and I bring all these live videos just to inform some of my viewers who are constantly encouraging me to send them more and more videos, so that at the comfort of their home they can watch these properties. Sorry, it was a little windy here. Also, some of them have questions, and when I answer them, that kind of gives them some kind of encouragement to buy or not to buy in today's markets. So I'll suggest that if you can call, that is good, or you can visit my website. You can also fill up my contact form. And today I do not have too many properties to show, but maybe tomorrow I'll have another luxury property over 1.45 million coming back in the market. I'll be going live there, but please watch on. Once again, this is Gary Singh, your broker in Markham today, with this house at the back of me. I will be signing off now, wishing you all a nice, happy evening and also a long weekend. Thank you for watching my show, and now I'm signing off. Bye.